Hello guys, welcome to my first video. And yeah, I've been on my channel Kid and the Man, Brian Roblox and more, and this is my new channel recently. And actually there was a new game. Maybe it's gonna be old, maybe not, but it's actually still new, still popular. People are still playing it. And I think I've heard that you can go in space right now. All right, and there's a mythic kind of eggs that you can open for 7,500 diamonds. How cool is that? All right, let's get into it. See, this is not my first time playing it, so cause I wasn't ready. All right, this is not my first time playing it. See, oh yeah, and Dylan's here.
Hello.
Yeah.
It's Dylan. Okay, yeah, it's Dylan Uchiha right now.
Yeah, Dylan suck ass. That's who he is. Hey, Dylan suck ass.
Hey, dude, that's mine. That's mine.
Rest in peace.
All around me are familiar faces.
Oh well.
Oh,
shut up! His voice. His voice wants me to kill myself. Ooh. Hey, no.
Great chicken.
What's your great chicken? It's a chick.
Great chicken.
I don't even have a chick, man.
I have a chick.
Okay, where is she? I don't even see her in the game.
Her name's Elsa.
Is she fame?
No, she lives in a castle. She lives in an ice castle.
That dumb castle right here.
Oh no, it's not actually.
Wait, what? Oh my gosh, that castle she in, man, that looks so ugly.
It's actually a castle that's like made out of ice from a pool.
Doesn't seem like it's made out of a freaking stone. Look like a big poop, a big bird just shit on it. Actually, this is actually a great thing. That means I can go visit that castle all I want.
No, you can't.
Wait, you want me? Okay.
Oh,
I know what she looks like. I know what she freaking looks like. Alright, you look at couldn't find her, man. See, I would make her so ugly. Oh, crap. Spaceship, boys.
Hey, dude, get back here. Sorry.
Spaceship. Spaceship. I'm coming, baby boy. I'm coming. Daddy's
Come,
coming.
baby boy.
I'm right here.
Hey, baby boy.
Sorry,
hey,
no,
dirt.
sorry.
Young Dirt.
Are you singing Justin Bieber's song, Sorry?
I'm sorry, sorry. Oh, I'm
so
sorry.
Bad. Oh, look, it got a little heart right there.
Oh,
crap.
I'm sorry, sorry. Oh,
Shut up! Shut up! You're making it so cringy, man. Nobody would like it.
Oh, dang, I like these grapes. Oh,
fudge. It killed me.
It killed me too. Oh well.
Oh well, but we can still look in the telescope.
Yes.
Oh my god, you can get your diamonds, boy. Dude, get your diamonds. Dude, you can get
familiar faces.
All right.
Yeah, I got some diamonds. Okay, so yeah, beat level 25. I can't.
I'm level 64. Nobody can beat the red chicken, but bear official. Damn boy, you can beat anything. I think it worked.
Yeah, hey guys,
you worked them out, huh?
Guys, one thing you need to know is
he's gay.
Yeah.
Wait, what? Really?
Nothing.
Oh my god, man! Don't even get me started on this.
Yeah, he's you know that Did you know that he actually joined the bear official? Whatever his name is, I don't care what his name is.
Anyway, how the hell did we get the black and the golden eggs? Tell me how.
We murdered.
Man, you never got the black and the golden eggs.
No, it's my
What you
first
got to say
time.
about it, boy? Well,
let's see.
well, boys.
Okay, well, you see, you can't get anything because it's not, like, something that you can get.
Is he really serious? Alright.
You see, since bunnies... Ah!
Now, like Vuck says, here's the diarrhea egg right here. I'm not proud of it. I'm literally not proud of it. Level 0. How the hell do I get a golden egg?
You must all be thinking that.
Hey, Mr. Birdie Fire, what you got to say? What you got to say?
Well, I have to say a lot of stuff. I poop golden eggs. I eat them. I suck them.
What?
I love to feed them.
Feed them what?
Am I the only one who hears this?
No, this one, this little bunny right here talked. What's your name?
Well, my name is Phoenix, the Deadly Empire.
The Deadly.
The Deadly Empire. You're my daddy?
Shut up. I'm your mother.
Dun dun dun.
Dun. Oh wow.
Wait, really?
No. Hear my voice.
Ew.
And
Now listen up.
You know what else I do with him? Please don't tell me. Please don't tell me.
You know what?
What? I don't want to hear it, man. Actually, no. I did not mean to say what. I meant to say, please don't tell me.
I love to
Oh my god. He was so magic. Well, terrifying. Phoenix! I don't see you ever again. Hey, look, Dylan's over there. See, yeah, that's right. There he goes. If you want to see a face reveal,
but this video get it to 1,000 subscribers and.
or no wait, how about let's start like 20 subscribers. If you want to see my face, but I will have a mask on, and let's check how will this turn out. So, you see me on Roblox, send me a friend request. I will add you, but you gotta say you gotta say my name, boy. But actually, if to check if you really know my channel or somebody has told you, just say my name just say my name if you see me. I would greatly appreciate it.
And add me on Twitter.
Actually, yes. But guys, listen up. We're like gonna have fun with Phoenix over there,
Yeah.
and little bunny ass making his old diarrhea eggs that he sold to Phoenix for nothing. And Phoenix gave him all these black eggs. But he's racist or anything? Actually, no. Hey, little bunny, are you ready to talk? What you gotta say?
You see, this isn't your typical little bunny. I poop black eggs and
Is he really kidding me?
no, I'm not kidding you. I actually poop black eggs.
Then why are your black eggs in your freaking basket, boy?
Because you see, okay, I stole them. But
Phoenix, he stole your eggs.
What?
Okay.
Oh boy, you in trouble.
Hey, look, diamonds fell.
Oh my god, thank you. Phoenix, he did not steal your diamond. He did not steal, your freaking Easter eggs. He didn't.
He didn't.
No. Damn. I can't believe I'm doing all these stupid voices. Ay, ay, ay.
Yeah, and guys, I'm the one who's actually been doing the bunny voice.
Yeah, Dylan's been doing the bunny voice. I've been doing Phoenix.
Yeah.
And the little chick, what you guys see for a second? Well, I'm like old McDonald here. We like did stuff together. And he did. Oh crap! I exploded. Hey, boys, leave him alone. And he liked it. He did not appreciate old McDonald. So does he own a McDonald or anything? Old McDonald had a farm. Goofy, shut up.
Okay.
Alright. You see? Alright. See, in Call of Duty Black Ops 2, I'm like jumping as a freaking cockroach. I'm joking, I ain't no cockroach. Jumping as a friggin' grasshopper, doing my friggin' jumping jacks, sliding on the ground like I'm a freaking snake.
Yeah, guys, if you want to see that in action, get this video to 10 likes, and we will play a gun game on Black Ops 2.
Yeah, the real one, not in Roblox.
Yeah, because the Roblox version sucks. Seriously, man.
Yeah, and maybe... Oh, guess what, guys? You're going to see my name... you're going to see my face on Dylan Uchiha.
Yep, Dylan Uchiha channel.
Yeah. And Call of Duty Black Ops. And... Oh, no, wait. And Minecraft, you're going to see my face. Nah, I'm joking, boys. I'm joking. in Black Ops 2. Again.
Yep, guys, we will actually be doing a bunch of Black Ops games. We'll happily take requests, but also one thing.
Tell me if you want a Roblox vid or a Black Ops vid, and we would do it.
Yeah, but also the Ender boss. The Enderman here. He sometimes he'll start like making he'll make solos like campaigns or maybe
Campaigns. I already finished it.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did it.
Wow. When?
Yesterday.
And also, guys, on my channel.
One shot.
Guys, on my channel, if I ever get the time, I might actually like start installing my Naruto game.
Hey guys, just be clear. I'm gonna be uploading 60 seconds.
Yeah, in the future, because we need Steam cards don't grow on trees yet.
True. That's sad. You know what'd be more better, guys? Alright. Guess what? When I'm gonna get a group, I don't have a group yet because I wasted all my Robux.
True.
And actually, I only have one Robux left, but if I get a group, I will keep my Robux, put in my group, and if I'll choose the best comment in this video. Well, not in this video, in some videos actually, if I say Robux time, alright, I will choose the winner inside this comment, and this person has sent me a friend request on Roblox. And guess how much Robux he will be getting? Dylan, what'd you guess?
5 Robux.
400 Robux. Damn. Oh, and really best comment will get. Whew, this is gonna be best. Yeah. 900 Robux.
Yeah, and guys, one day if we ever do get a phone, guess what? We
don't care about a freaking rocket.
Yeah, we don't need no rocket.
Actually, I haven't checked what happens if you defeat a freaking alien. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe. And shout out to Dylan Uchiha.
Yep, link in the description.
Maybe. Where's the rocket do? And
Troy, Roblox, and more.
Yeah. Subscribe to him too.
Yeah.
and I'll see you all later. Goodbye.
Goodbye.